Hello everyone, this is Justin Greer with Greer Racing Parts and Fuel. The great people at A&A Manufacturing has sent me this aluminum bump steer kit. It's made from 6061 aluminum. They're 5/8 hole. These are perfect for you outlaw modifieds, UMP modifieds, outlaw street stocks, or street stocks who are allowed to drill the snout of their tie rod end for their spindle. These are perfect for fine-tuning those adjustments. As you see, I have a 5/8 bolt here. They're 5/8 hole. They come in a 30 thousandths. They come in a 30 thousandths, 60 thousandths, 100 thousandths, 200 thousandths, 300 thousandths, and also a ½ inch. So you can fine-tune that bump steer, guys. That helps your front end so much. This kit makes it perfect. Comes in a little bag that you need so you can keep up with it. If you're like me, you'll end up losing this. But these work perfectly. I even used a used bolt so you could see they just go right on instead of having a new bolt. So if you guys are pulling this right from your spindle, they slide right on, get nice and tight, get that bump steer right, guys. Thanks so much.